Hello and welcome to this video. So today I'm going to show you how you can charge your phone with movement. Now yesterday when I was with my friend in the coffee shop, my phone battery died. So I did use this method to charge my phone and my friend was amazed and he demanded an explanation. So I decided to share with you this method today. So as you can see here, this phone battery is completely dead. As you can see here, if I try to boot it, if I try to open the phone will not boot up, as you can see here. Alright, now this method can be extremely helpful to you if you are outside and for example you need to make an emergency call, or you need to check your contact list to get a number, or to check your email. You can use this method to give a little bit of juice to your phone, so you will be able to make a quick phone call, or like I said, check your email or do whatever you want. So in order to do that, what you need to do is, first of all, you need to take out the battery. So as you can see here, I'm going to take out the battery, and then you simply need to get the battery and rub it on your jean pants like so, as you can see here, hopefully on the camera. Now by rubbing the battery on your jean pants, this will create a static electricity which will give some juice to your battery. So as you can see here, I'm rubbing the battery on my pants. Now you just need to rub it for a few minutes until the battery gets a little bit warm. Now you can speed up the process by rubbing the battery too fast on your pants. And then you're going to insert the battery back into the phone. As you can see here. And now if I try to open the phone, as you can see here, the phone is booting up. Now using this method you will probably get from 2 to 10% of battery charge. Now this should be enough to you to make a quick phone call and to check your contact list or your email. Now as you can see here, the phone is working, it's starting up. As you can see here, now the phone is indicating its low battery, as you can see here, but the phone is start, and that's the important thing. So as you can see here, if we click on the dial, now the phone is lagging a little bit because it is an old model. Now as you can see here, this is my contact list. And as you can see here, if we go to the keypad, we can dial any number and make a quick phone call. Alright, we can also check our email, etc. And this will be extremely handy, like I said previously, especially in emergency case. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it is, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friend. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this in the future. So thank you for watching. Until next time.